will destroy you in some way. And of course, the world is not always what it appears to be. And of course, for Miranda, it is a brave new world when all this new learning can take place. Miranda, the Eve-like figure. When we talk at 3A about Milton and Paradise Lost, we'll obviously have to mention Miranda and Eve. At 2B, well, the symbolism is powerful here. The island itself representing the world and the complexities of the world. Prospero may be a symbol as well for Shakespeare's leaving the stage, and the irony that we've been focusing on as we study Shakespeare's plays. The irony here, of course, at the very end of the play is that Prospero has to ask to be free. Will you please let me be free? I just want to go back and live a life of quiet peace. At 3A, so many titles we've already mentioned. I've mentioned several times Milton's Paradise Lost. I believe that Milton's Paradise Lost is a fine companion read to Tempest. I think they should be read and studied in many ways together. The Miranda figure, the Eve figure, the Caliban figure, the satanic figure, and on it goes. As well, I've mentioned Lord of the Flies, a compelling companion study for Golding, and what happens when you put a bunch of young boys on an island and you watch how the Lord of the Flies, that Beelzebub that will speak at the end to Simon, how that will kind of serve as another view of this notion of Shakespeare's play Tempest. The Odyssey and the Aeneid do come to mind, and the storms, and of course all of the important storms of ancient myth. Finally, at 3B, a question. How about this one? A time that you had to learn to forgive and to let go, and it was not an easy thing for you to learn that. And then finally, what has been for you the hardest tempest of your life, the hardest storm that you've been through, and how has it changed you that you came through that storm and ultimately survived? Nietzsche said, "That which does not destroy me makes me stronger." And of course, we see that represented in this play as well. Well, I hope you've enjoyed your study of Shakespeare's Tempest. What a wonderful last play for Shakespeare to give us. Thank you.